The administrative record as evidence and judgment. The administrative record is the chronological file of documents, notices, presentments, responses, and affidavits exchanged between parties during a private or commercial process. When lawfully constructed, it becomes a complete and self-authenticating body of evidence that can stand in court or be enforced by lien or protest. The key to its strength lies in due process. Notice and opportunity to respond must be afforded. If the opposing party fails to rebut the claims or demands within the given timeframe, the administrative record becomes the judgment by default. It may include timelines, certificates of service, notarizations, and declarations of fact. A properly assembled record eliminates the need for court litigation, as it fulfills the elements of contract, due process, and unrebutted affidavit. Courts and agencies often honor the administrative record if procedure was followed. Thus, remedy begins with meticulous documentation and ends in lawful enforcement based on the unrebutted truth preserved in the record. Footnote: this section establishes the administrative record as a valid and enforceable evidentiary package that can serve as judgment when built upon due process and unrebutted facts.